Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to kind of do a little throwback here and do a design with me video. So that is what I'm doing in this video. I've just screen recorded my computer and I'm working on one of the new kits that will be released on Friday. So you guys can kind of watch me design it, kind of see my thought process behind all of it and just how I take artwork and put it into a kit. So that's what this video is. Everybody designs differently. That's one thing, just with there being so many sticker shops, everybody does things differently. So this isn't necessarily the only way or the best way to do things. This is just my process and how I like to do things. Obviously, everybody has their own way of doing things, and that's okay. There's no right or wrong way. There's just how I do it, how someone else does it, that sort of thing. So this may not be the best method or the one that if you're a sticker shop owner, you use to create stuff, and that is totally fine. Everybody has their own style, their own way of doing things. This is just how I do things. And yes, I put all the stuff on my desktop and then I drag it into Silhouette. That is just what I have found to work best for me. I know some people are like, oh my gosh, your desktop is like so crazy. And yes, it is right now, but I do clean it off whenever I'm done with that artwork or whatever is on there. Whenever I'm done using that, I put it into a folder. It's not like cluttering up my desktop all the time. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy seeing the process of putting this kit together. If you guys are interested, I will have the link in the description box to where you can get this. It won't be up until Friday, but you can check it out then, along with 5 other collections that are coming to the shop. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this design with me. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of these, and I will catch you guys in my next video.